I bet if you could reduce the water you use for irrigation and still keep a healthy lawn, you would. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about getting the most from your irrigation system right after this.
Need a proven go-to solution for your next tile project? Use what the pros use. Prism Ultimate Performance Cement Grout by Custom Building Products is ideal for virtually any tiling project. It offers consistent color without any modeling or shading. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to use and spread. Not only that, it's highly stain resistant, sets in just a few hours, and is available in 40 colors. Find it at the Home Depot. Prism Grout from Custom Building Products. We know grout. Count on Custom.
Every year we waste millions of gallons of water while we're trying to keep our lawns and gardens green. Some experts say that as much as 50% of the water used in landscape irrigation is lost to overwatering, evaporation, and poor sprinkler system design or maintenance. To reduce your water use, consider using a drip irrigation system or a less expensive alternative like a soaker hose. Because these methods deliver water slowly and more directly to the roots of the plants, much less of it is lost to evaporation. As much as 70% less. If you have a programmable irrigation system, install a rain sensor. It will interrupt the programmed cycle during a period of rain so that you don't overwater. If you use a portable sprinkler, add a hose-in timer so that you don't forget to turn it off. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.